What is deep sleep? Deep sleep is one of the 3 sleep stages your body goes through while sleeping, next to light sleep and REM sleep. During deep sleep, your brain activity reaches its lowest levels, your heartbeat slows down, and your body gets prepared for the next day. For example, if you work out, that's when your muscles get repaired. But if something wakes you up directly from deep sleep, you might feel like someone has beaten you up. And lastly, if you don't get enough deep sleep, you won't feel restored the next day. That being said, here goes the meaty part of the video. So, how to actually improve deep sleep? Firstly, I'll show you how I went from getting about 20 minutes of deep sleep per night to clocking over 1 hour consistently. Let's just quickly go through some screenshots I took to prove that I'm not lying. If you don't care, feel free to skip over to the next timestamp. Okay, so about 9 months ago, I would get December 25th, 37 minutes. December 26th, 0 minutes. December 27th, 50 minutes. December 28th, 30 minutes. December 29th, 36 minutes. December 30th, 27 minutes. December 31st, 53 minutes. January 1st, 22 minutes. January 2nd, 23 minutes. January 3rd, 0 minutes. So about 2 months later, this is what I would get. March 1st, hour and 8 minutes. March 2nd, hour and 50 minutes. March 3rd, hour and 30 minutes. March 4th, hour and 32 minutes. March 5th, 55 minutes. That's exactly 3 times more than just 2 months earlier. If this isn't incredible enough, let's see what happened this August. So in the last 10 days of August, this is what I got. August 11th, 68 minutes. August 12th, 66 minutes. August 13th, 53 minutes. August 14th, 63 minutes. August 15th, 71 minutes. August 16th, 104 minutes. August 17th, 82 minutes. August 18th, 75 minutes. August 19th, 99 minutes, and August 20th, 106 minutes. I think this is my personal best so far. Now you see it wasn't just short-term luck. These are consistent results I'm getting. Okay, now I'll give you my 5 best tips how to improve your deep sleep drastically.
Step 0 is to improve your mental health.
If you have overthinking problems, depression, stress, anxiety, or something like that, you don't need any sleep tips from me. Before doing anything else, you need to fix your mental health, or my tips will be worthless. Wait, before you click off, let me prove this. My physical health in December was the same as in March. I did workouts consistently and I had a clean diet. But on the other hand, my mental health was shit. And as soon as I fixed my anxiety, depression, and overthinking, I tripled my deep sleep. Coincidence?
I think not!
I'll make a full video on how to fix these, but for now, let's move on.
Tip number 1. Fix your sleep schedule.
Deep sleep mostly occurs in the first half of the night, so if you fuck with your circadian rhythm and go to bed at like 6 AM, you can't really expect a lot of deep sleep, right? So ideally, you should go to bed at like 11 or 12 PM at worst to get the most deep sleep.
Tip number 2. Wind down before sleep.
Staying away from tech completely 1 to 2 hours before bed would be ideal, but since that isn't really easy, you should at least turn some sort of blue light filter on your device, avoid all sorts of stimulation like video games, and avoid every other activity that could fuck up your sleep like sugary food or some hard workouts.
Where everybody's getting weaker, I'm getting stronger.
Tip number 3. Be active during the day.
So many people, including myself, complain that they have trouble falling asleep and in many cases getting any deep sleep. But they spent the whole day either in their beds, couch, chair. How the heck do you expect to be tired and fall asleep easily if you haven't done anything physically demanding during the day? Deep sleep is for body restoration, but if you were in the bed the whole day, from what does it have to repair itself? From scrolling on Instagram or something? Think about it.
Tip number 4. Get enough sunlight.
This is pretty straightforward, but can be a bit difficult if you live in a place like London. LOL. Anyway, try your best to expose yourself to sun as often as possible for at least 15 minutes.
Tip number 5. Do holistic self-improvement in general.
Cold showers, reading, journaling, meditating, Wim Hof breathing, NoFap, working out, clean diet. These things wouldn't just fix your sleep, but your life in general. More on those in a different video. So, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have anything to say, feel free to leave a comment below. Until the next one, peace.